The Biden administration is sending a clear message: it's time for the wealthiest Americans and corporations to pay their fair share. In the President's 2024 budget plan, unveiled on March 9, 2023, the Treasury Department stipulates a much higher minimum tax for those with annual earnings or assets of over $100 million, and the standard for the top 0.01% of earners is a whopping 25%. The budget also aims to quadruple the stock buyback tax from 1% to 4% in order to generate more revenue, and increase the top individual income tax rate to 39.6%, while also instituting a global minimum tax that would try and collect income earned overseas. Additional measures to generate funds include closing what the White House calls Medicare tax loopholes to keep the Medicare Trust Fund solvent past 2042 and implementing a billionaire minimum tax. With last year's tax cuts set to expire in a GOP majority House of Representatives, the president's efforts to increase taxes may be met with resistance. On a press call, Treasury Department officials expressed their enthusiasm and wish to work with Congress on any proposals they felt welcomed. The ability to maintain, or even pass, these tax visions is perhaps twice as important, since it is widely speculated that the president wishes to run for a second term in 2024. At the time these proposals were unveiled, former Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen expressed that by requiring corporations and the wealthy to pay their fair share, these plans will more than pay for themselves. With the reviews of these proposals starting on the 9th at a Ways and Means Committee hearing, the future of these tax hikes will come into sharper focus. The many proposals of the 2024 budget are all part of the president's domestic agenda, a vision he has had for many years now, and the question that remains is whether they will be able to earn enough support among Republicans and Democrats alike in order to become law. Some are optimistic that these initiatives will be signed off. After all, with a budget that plans on cutting the deficit by around $3 trillion over the coming decade, and generating more money for education, healthcare, and infrastructure, it is hard to deny the potential of this plan. And while more details are sure to fill out the picture as the budget goes through the House of Representatives, one thing is certain: the 2024 budget is an ambitious one, and it is ready to take the country by storm.